Tired of scavenging for scraps in last war? Let's unlock the power of survivor tokens to dominate the wasteland. First things first, what are survivor tokens? These shiny emblems are your key to unlocking powerful advantages within the game. You can see how many you have in the upper right corner of your screen, near your other resources. So, how do you get your hands on them? Completing daily quests is a reliable source. Keep an eye out for special events and limited challenges. They often offer generous token rewards for participating. Don't forget to check the in-game store. Sometimes you can find them as part of resource bundles or special offers. Now for the fun part, using them. The most common use is Hero Recruitment. Head to the Hero Recruitment Center, usually accessible from your base overview here. You can exchange your survivor tokens for a chance to summon powerful heroes with unique skills and abilities. Different recruitment tiers require varying amounts of tokens. Higher tiers offer better heroes, so save up for those. Read the descriptions carefully and choose heroes that complement your strategy. Survivor tokens can also be used in the in-game store. Sometimes you can exchange them for valuable resources like wood, steel, or even speed up items to accelerate your base development. By strategically using your survivor tokens to recruit powerful heroes and acquire essential resources, you'll be well on your way to building an unstoppable base and dominating the last war. Now go out there and conquer.